Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video we will solve question 4 of exercise 1.1. Our question is 3x squared minus 1 is equal to 1 by 5 1 minus x. This question is a little bit complex, so first of all you have to remove this 5. To remove this 5 we have to multiply 5 on both sides. So let's multiply. On the left hand side we have 3x squared minus 1, and on the right hand side we have 1 by 5 1 minus x. So when we multiply both sides with 5, here this 5 which we have multiplied will be multiplied with both, and here this 5 will cancel out this 5. So now when we multiply this 5 with this both, we have 15 x squared minus 5 is equal to, here 5 will cancel out this 5 and remaining values will be 1 minus x. So now you have to shift the things which are on right hand side to the left hand side. On the left hand side we have 15x squared minus 5. So when we are shift this 1 from right hand side to left hand side, the sign will be changed. So here 1 is positive, now the sign will be negative. Here the sign of minus x, so the sign of x will be positive on the left hand side. So when we will organize this equation, so this is our equation. Now we have to find mid-term, so we have to multiply this 15 with minus 6. When we multiply this 15 with minus 6 we will get minus 90. So we have to find two digits. When we add them we will get positive 1, and when we multiply them we will get negative 90. So here are these two digits: 15x squared plus 10x minus 9x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now we have to take common from first two, so common will be 5x. The remaining values will be 3x plus 2. When we will take common these two, we have to take common minus 3 from both, so the remaining value will be 3x. As you can see here is minus. When we have minus common, the value inside the bracket will change. The sign of values will be changed. Here minus 6 is minus 6 has minus negative sign, so sign of 6 will be positive. Sorry, here will be 2. 3 multiplied to 6. So from these two we have common 3x plus 2. The remaining value will be 5x minus 3. So put both these equal to 0. 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Draw a line between them. 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now to find the value of x, we have to shift this 2 from left hand side to right hand side. 3x is equal to negative 2. Here 5x is equal to 3, positive 3. Now we have to divide 3 on both sides, so our answer will be x is equal to minus 2 divided by 3. x is equal to, you have to divide 5 on both sides. This 5 will be cancel out 5, and here will be 3 divided by 5. Now our solution set is -2 divided by 3 and 3 by 5. Thanks for watching my video.